Welcome back, everyone. It's about day 8 or 9 of me going through the sickness. Sips tea with honey. Alright, so let's imagine that you've created a awesome script, something that you're really proud of. You want to keep it and work with it. And you've created a study, okay? Now we're going to refer over to the market sentiment here. And we can see the ones that have a market sentiment at a particular level that we're looking for. And there are many stocks there. Okay, many. All right. Now I expect, of course, the tech sector lit back up. That's people investing their monies. But it still doesn't quite have me convinced of, a market uptrend yet. So now that you've created your awesome scan and you know that it works, okay, then what you're going to do is maybe even stack these on top of each other, okay? So hit your hourglass. We're going to get rid of the QQE study. Okay, let's take a look at this. Declare lower, plot data, Bollinger Band %B is greater than 0. Okay. Plot data, of course, declare lower. This only once, has to be there one time. Plot data, Bollinger Band %B is greater than 0, and %R is greater than 20. Okay. Now, those are the two scans that I'm using for this example. All right. Now, let's see what else we can pull up. Let's pull up some Tesla. Okay. And it looks like on the lower charts, I've got the spread trend labels. Okay. So you'll come over here to your gear icon, where it says data, okay, because that's what you want to know. This could also say buy. So let's go in and change that to, well, no, we don't want to change it to buy because that's not the signal to buy. Okay. But you've got numerical and draw as. So you're going to change this from the line style. You're going to change it to this one or even this one. Okay. Click OK. Click Apply. And there you have it. Now every time that it is equal to 0 or 1, it will put a bar. It won't draw this line. Okay? Let me see where our dips are and our gaps are. All right, so let's put that back. Pay attention to the gaps. Oh, what happened? Let's put back. Okay. All right. Your gaps are your dips. All right. So now we can do the same thing with this one. All right. Still on numerical, not Boolean, numerical. Hit OK. Hit apply. All right. now you're starting to create your own little dip indicator. You're looking for the blank spots, where you might want to take action at, okay? Notice how the stochastic starts to come up. We get the stochastic signal, and then price starts to come up a little bit, but then falls back down. All right. But it is showing where the dips are accurate buying signals. Okay. So I know this isn't exactly accurate, but it does give you a pretty good idea of how to start playing with this stuff. So let's do green, apply, and now for the Bollinger and the %R, let's do a dark blue. All right, and we could put that right on top of it. So now we're stacking our indicators into one study. Okay. Now we're going to take this, the %R, and change the line style. Apply. Okay. Now, let's move it to the bottom. Whatever's on the bottom is going to show on top, so you need to layer it, and make sure you layer it correctly, or they might not line up right. So, if there's a problem with a piece of code that, or indicators that you're trying to layer into the same box, it may be simple as just dragging it below the other one. So always give that a try. Okay, so now we're looking at the blue and the green, and now we can start taking the green signals. All right, let's see how well this works on the daily. Looks like it worked well here. It worked there. Not working anymore. But it looks like we did just get a breakout in Tesla. Wonderful. 667. I can see that. Perfect. Now let's check out some Darvis scans real quick for anybody looking for some breakouts. Although lots of things are breaking out. And we can also, say scan for this stochastics up arrow to be true. Okay. So PayPal, PIN, ZLab, wow, GMed. All right, so these are all of the ones that are breaking out on the Darvis box on the daily. So if there's something here that you've traded before or that you like, and that you recognize, go check it out because it may be worth a look. And now we'll go and check our pullbacks. Okay, these are some big pullbacks. And let's check our YouTube example daily. And Mara, Rail, and X. So perfect. Go check out these three. And Rail, excuse me. Rail has been on the scoreboards ever since the ship got stuck in the canal, so keep that in mind. Okay, so before I make a bunch of noise, I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. Happy trading, everybody. Get out there, make some money, and I'll catch you in the next video.